Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel, FR Auto Moto. I hope you're all doing great. Today, legend on Indian roads for decades, the Hero Splendor Plus. This bike isn't just a machine, it's a legacy that has earned the trust of millions of riders with its unmatched reliability, incredible fuel efficiency, and low maintenance costs. Whether you're a daily commuter, a college student, or just someone looking for a budget-friendly, no-nonsense ride, the Splendor Plus has got you covered. In this video, we're going to break down every single detail of the Hero Splendor Plus, from its timeless design and robust build quality to its smooth engine performance, fuel efficiency, ride comfort, and much more. We'll also discuss the features, maintenance aspects, pricing, and overall value for money. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why the Splendor Plus has remained one of India's favorite bikes for so many years. So make sure you stick around till the end because we've got tons of insights, real-world feedback, and some interesting comparisons lined up for you. And hey, if you're new here or haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest reviews and content. Your support means the world to us, and it keeps us motivated to bring you the best reviews on two-wheelers and high-performance machines. Let's get started.